Artificial grass that fits any surface. Let me show you how we do this. Soft texture and safe for kids to play on. Connect the Draincell to the designated holes. The grass fits together just like a puzzle. This is how it looks from the back once connected. Smooth out the surface for an even finish. Place the grass where you want to install it. If there's any excess, just trim it with a cutter. Cut according to the measurements for a neat result. And that's it, easy, right? You can even DIY no problem at all.